بە هەڵە بەکارهێنانی دوو ئاوەڵناوی anxious و eager. anxious واتای دڵە ڕاوکێ و ترس لێنشین دەگەیەنێت و ئاماژەیەکی نێگەتیڤی هەیە. eager ئاماژەیەکی پۆزەتیڤ دەگەیەنێت و خۆشحاڵی بەرامبەر بۆنەکانی ئایندە. بەڵام هەندێک جار لە بری eager ئاوەڵناوی anxious بەکار دەهێنرێت و بە پێچەوانەشەوە. با ئێستا گوێ لە دیالۆگی نێوان لوسیا و کاڤەی بگرین.
This is Everyday Grammar. I'm Lucia.
And I'm Kaveh. The new Star Wars movie is coming out soon. I'm so anxious to see it.
You are? Why?
Well, duh. It's arguably one of the greatest movie franchises out there. And I heard that the latest one is the best one of the series.
You sound excited.
I am.
But you're anxious?
That's what I said.
I think you've got your adjectives mixed up. The adjective anxious means worried or nervous. It has a negative connotation. So you can see why I was confused when you said you were excited to see the new movie, but you used the word anxious.
But what should I have used instead?
Eager.
Eager?
Yes, eager. This adjective has a positive connotation and means excited or delighted about future events.
So I should have said that I was eager to see the movie. I'm sure English speakers confuse these two words all the time.
They do. So tell me which adjective you would use with this example. I'm eager or anxious for the school year to end, so I can finally go on vacation.
Eager, because you are excited to go on vacation.
I'm eager or anxious to see my grade. I didn't study a lot.
Ooh, you're definitely nervous, since you didn't study a lot. So I'll go with anxious.
And that's everyday grammar.